Have you ever wondered what seasonings best complement your favorite seafood dishes? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the vast ocean of seafood seasonings and flavors. From the humble salt and pepper to the exotic star anise, the world of seasonings is as diverse as the seafood it enhances. The key lies in knowing which seasoning to use and when to bring out the best in your seafood. So let's dive in and explore those delightful seasonings and flavors that can elevate your seafood dishes to a whole new level. Starting off our list with a bit of a kick, we have cayenne pepper. This fiery red spice is known for its spicy, slightly smoky flavor that instantly adds a punch to any dish it graces. Now, when it comes to seafood, cayenne pepper truly shines. Imagine the piquant heat of this spice mingling with the delicate flavors of grilled shrimp, or creating a tantalizing contrast in fish tacos. The result is nothing short of magical, but it's not just about the heat. Cayenne pepper also has a subtle sweetness that beautifully complements the natural sweetness of many types of seafood. So whether you're grilling, frying, or baking your seafood, a dash of cayenne pepper can elevate your dish to new culinary heights. Remember, a little goes a long way with this potent spice, so use sparingly until you find your heat comfort zone. So, if you're a fan of heat, cayenne pepper is a must-try seasoning for your seafood dishes. Now, for a tangy twist, let's talk about lemon zest. When it comes to bright, acidic flavors that truly enhance seafood dishes, lemon zest is a standout. It's the outer, colored part of the citrus peel, and it's packed with essential oils that release a burst of tangy citrus flavor. Imagine, if you will, a beautifully cooked piece of salmon. Now imagine the same salmon, but this time it's been lightly dusted with fresh lemon zest. The difference is remarkable, isn't it? That's the magic of lemon zest. It's like adding a burst of sunshine to your dish. Similarly, scallops, known for their delicate flavor, can truly shine when enhanced with a touch of lemon zest. It heightens their natural sweetness and adds a layer of complexity that will leave you and your guests reaching for seconds. So, next time you're cooking up a seafood feast, don't forget the lemon zest. Remember, a little lemon zest can go a long way in bringing out the natural flavors of your seafood. Moving on to herbs, dill is a classic choice for seafood. This feathery green herb, native to the Mediterranean and Western Asia, carries a fresh, slightly sweet flavor that's somewhat akin to anise or celery. It's a subtle yet distinctive taste that brings out the natural flavors of seafood without overpowering them. Imagine, if you will, a tender piece of poached salmon, its delicate flavors elevated by the bright, grassy notes of fresh dill, or perhaps a succulent crab cake, with dill's unique flavor adding an extra layer of complexity, enhancing the sweet meat within. Dill is versatile too, finding its place in creamy sauces, marinades, or even sprinkled as a garnish. The beauty of dill lies in its ability to marry well with a variety of ingredients, from citrus to cream, making it a go-to herb for many a seafood dish. Dill, with its unique flavor profile, can truly transform your seafood dishes. Taking an exotic turn, let's explore saffron. Hailing from the beautiful crocus flower, saffron presents a complex, slightly bitter flavor that is truly unique. It's a rare and luxurious spice that has been used in culinary traditions around the world for centuries. Picture this, a fragrant seafood paella meticulously cooked, with every grain of rice infused with the warm golden hues of saffron. The taste? Oh, it's an experience. The saffron weaves itself into the seafood, enhancing its natural flavors while adding a depth and sophistication that is nothing short of exquisite. Or imagine a hearty bouillabaisse, where saffron's distinct flavor plays a pivotal role, harmonizing with the medley of seafood in a symphony of taste. It's true, saffron may cost a bit more than your average spice, but it's an investment in flavor that pays off generously. Though a bit pricier, saffron is a flavor investment that pays off generously in your seafood dishes. And of course, we can't forget the classic duo garlic and butter. These two humble ingredients, when combined, can transform the simplest of seafood dishes into a culinary delight. Garlic, with its pungent, spicy flavor, is a powerhouse of taste. It provides a robust foundation that can stand up to the natural, strong flavors of the sea. Butter, on the other hand, is the perfect counterpart. It adds a rich, creamy dimension that mellows the sharpness of garlic and creates a velvety texture that clings beautifully to dishes like lobster or clams. But it's not just about the taste. Butter also helps to carry the flavor of garlic, allowing it to permeate throughout the dish, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. Seafood, with its delicate and nuanced flavors, truly shines when paired with the robust, savory notes of garlic and butter. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Garlic and butter, a timeless combination that never fails to impress in the realm of seafood. Last but not least, let's add a touch of surprise with star anise. This star-shaped spice, often found in Asian cuisine, boasts a sweet, licorice-like flavor that can give your seafood dishes a unique twist. Imagine a warming seafood stew, its hearty flavors melding with the distinct sweetness of star anise. Or perhaps consider a plate of grilled squid, each bite infused with the aromatic allure of this spice. Star anise is not just a spice, it's a journey of taste. It can transform a simple dish into an adventure, exploring the unexpected corners of flavor profiles. It's a spice that invites curiosity and rewards exploration, making it a perfect companion for the adventurous foodie. So the next time you're preparing a seafood dish, remember to reach for that star, the star anise. Its unique flavor could be the surprise element that elevates your dish. Star anise, a surprise element that can take your seafood dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. So there you have it, a selection of seasonings and flavors that can truly enhance your seafood dishes. Let's take a moment to relish in the spicy, smoky flavor of cayenne pepper, which can bring a fiery kick to your prawns or add a layer of heat to your clam chowder. It's not just about the spice, it's about the depth of flavor it provides. Then we have the refreshing lemon zest, a citrusy delight that can brighten up any dish. It's like a breath of fresh sea air on a plate. Whether it's a simple grilled fish or a luxurious lobster bisque, a sprinkle of lemon zest can make all the difference. And who could forget dill? This herb, with its subtle sweet and grassy flavor, is a classic pairing for salmon. It's also a fantastic addition to seafood salads, lending a fresh, summery note that's hard to resist. Saffron, the golden thread of the spice world, imparts an earthy, floral flavor that's simply exquisite. It's a match made in heaven for shellfish like mussels and clams, and can elevate a seafood paella to new heights. Garlic and butter, the dynamic duo that needs no introduction. Whether it's a classic shrimp scampi or a hearty fish stew, these two can transform any dish into a comfort food classic. And last but not least, we have star anise. This star-shaped spice, with its slightly sweet and licorice-like flavor, can add a touch of exotic intrigue to your seafood dishes. It's especially wonderful with meaty fish like tuna or swordfish. So, the next time you're cooking up a seafood feast, don't forget to try out these seasonings and flavors. And remember, the key to great seafood is not just the quality of your ingredients, but also how you season them. Now, go forth and create your seafood